How to create threads with ChatGPT. First, what's a thread? Think of it like a focused conversation chain. ChatGPT doesn't have a thread button. You can create one by structuring your prompts. Here's how. Begin by defining your thread's purpose. For example, help me brainstorm a sci fi story. This sets the stage for ChatGPT to stay on topic. Add details step by step, reference prior messages to keep the thread connected. Say things like based on the character you described earlier to maintain continuity. Ask follow ups in the same chat. ChatGPT remembers the context so threads stay organized naturally. No need to start fresh every time. For cleaner threads, be specific, number your threads, and summarize. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.